My fellow Americans, all the celebration of this day is rooted in history. 56 men came forward to sign the parchment. Their courage created a nation built on a universal claim to human dignity, on the proposition that every man, woman, and child had a right to a future of freedom.
That declaration is still a revolutionary document.
My own nation's story began with simple words. All men are created equal and endowed by our Creator with certain unalienable rights, including life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
It is a hope that someday every people and every nation of the world will know the blessings of liberty. And it's the hope of millions all around the world.
For that declaration unleashed not merely a revolution against the British, but a revolution in human affairs.
Through whatever trial and travail, we pledge ourselves to each other and to the cause of human freedom, a cause that has given light to this land and hope to the world. And to believe in our capacity to perform great deeds, to believe that together, with God's help, we can and will resolve the problems which now confront us. And after all, why shouldn't we believe that? We are Americans.